What's up, you guys? I hope your week has been off to a good start. I was inspired to make this video by a conversation I was having with someone on Instagram where they were telling me that their neighbors complained to their leasing office about the smell of monomer, and then the office asked them to stop doing nails. Like, what? Like, come on now. There are some people who hate the smell of monomer so much. They'll complain that it's making them sick, it's giving them a headache. And y'all, I don't understand it because I love monomer. It just smells so good to me. Like, so good. But I know everybody is different. And, I had to find ways to get around it. So y'all, I just wanted to share some of the things that helped me. So hopefully it can help somebody else who is going through this. So first things first, try low odor monomer. Low odor monomer, it still has a smell, but it is not as potent, okay? Most people that are just like getting into nails, they'll start off with something like Me and Secret because it is accessible. Me and Secret has a very strong smell. So I would say try to get a low odor monomer. This is one that I got from Krylyx. I like it a lot, but it is not as loud as the Me and Secret. In addition to this low odor monomer now, I also use this masking scent. This is something that I got out of the Kiss beginner nail box. It smells like apple. When you put it inside of the monomer, it starts to loosen up the smell. The monomer smell will start to overpower as the mask smell starts to wear off. So you do need to put a little bit more as you go. So you want to do the low odor monomer, and then you also want to get a masking scent to put inside of that. The next thing is put a towel under the door. Y'all, this helped so much with keeping in the smell. I would take an old dirty towel and I would just put it directly under the door. And the key is you want to stick a little bit of the towel underneath that crease as much as possible. Now it's a towel, so it can't really fit in the crease. But if a little slither of it could fit in the crease, that's what you want. So you just want to keep sticking it up against the door until it's very tight and snug as it could possibly be, to also help keep in the smell. The third thing, you all, is light a candle. Get a strong enough candle, and it doesn't have to be something that you love, because the candles that you love, you probably want to burn when you are relaxing or whatever, and you want it to smell up your house. You don't want it to necessarily be mixed in with monomer, but I would say get some candles just for when you're using monomer, something that is strong enough to mask the smell. So what that candle helps to do is it also helps to hide some of that chemical smell. The next thing is fans, you guys. I used 2 fans when I was staying in the place that I was staying before to just help keep the smell out. Now, here's the thing. You want to put one of those fans in the window. Now, I know y'all probably heard of this before, people putting fans in a window. But see, the way people usually do it is people will put the fan in the window and they'll have it facing the room. So meaning it'll blow the air from outside into the room. What you want to do is you want to put the fan in the window to where it's facing out. So it'll take all of the scent that's inside of the vicinity that you're in and blow it outside. Then I would push my desk up against the window so that with me doing my nails, it'll be I was directly close to the window and was right behind the fan. So all of the aroma that was coming from the nails would be shooting towards the fan, and the fan will be sucking it in and blowing it right out. Then you want to put the second fan behind you. So any of the smell that do try to creep around you to get out of the room will then be blown right back the other way. So fan facing out in the window, your desk in front of the window, and then fan behind you to also help just reinforce that air going right back out the window. You guys, I know it probably sounds like a lot. After you incorporate these things into your routine, trust me, you'll just start doing it like water, and you won't even realize that you had to take some extra steps for your nail setup. You guys, once I incorporated these tips, they complained no more. So I hope these tips are helpful to you if you are in this situation, because y'all, we not letting no one stop us from doing what we want to do, from working on our passions and the things that we love. We're not letting nobody nobody stop us. So if you do have any other tips that you would like to share, please drop them down in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, y'all.